To change direct deposit account information in UKG Pro, what you have to do, guys, just select the account from the list. You have this option, select your account from this list, as you can see here, guys. After that, go to employee center description. From the direct deposit, added your PayPal account, and you have option to add your additional bank account or change bank account. You can add the PayPal and you can add the bank account. You can, after added your routing number and account number, confirm your financial station and select your bank account type, checking debit or saving account. And then after that, click active or inactive account, and then select amount you want to change. After that, guys, click save and your direct deposit account. After that, click save. This is how you can do, guys. Just follow the steps to change your deposit account and you will change successfully without any problem. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video.